Hello, my dear students. I would like to improve your English spoken skills. So, I am going to introduce 17 top tips for improving your spoken English. First of all, think in English. One of the biggest secrets to speaking English fast and fluently is to learn to think directly in English. Do you think in your native language and then translate it into English before speaking? Don't do this because the sentence structure is often different in English and your native language. Also, it takes way too much time to think and translate when you are in a conversation. The solution is to think in English. You can do this anywhere, anytime. Try to use English when you are thinking about your day or when you are trying to decide what food to order. Even try to use an English to English dictionary to look up words. That way, you never have to use your native language and translate words. You will notice that when you think in English, it's easier for you to speak in English too. Talk to yourself. Whenever you are at home or alone somewhere else, you can improve your English speaking with your favorite person, yourself. If you are already thinking in English, try speaking your thoughts out loud. Read out loud too. Practice is practice, and even if you don't have anyone to correct your mistakes, just the act of speaking out loud will help you become more comfortable speaking English. Another important tips: speak, speak, and speak. Be confident and speak as often as possible to as many people as you possibly can. Do not be shy to make mistakes. The more you practice, the better, and more confident you will become in your pronunciation and vocabulary. Remember, speaking is a skill like learning musical instrument or new sport. The only way you can get good is to actually do it. Learn phrases rather than single words. Another important tip to increase your fluency is to speak using variety of phrases rather than individual words. Instead of automatically asking, "Hello, how are you today?" mix it up with by using other expressions like, "What's up, man? Hi, how is it going?" Be careful, though some expressions will be very informal and not ideal for some situations. Learn social English. You will also learn important phrases for social English so that you can interact with other English speakers successfully and confidently, such as agreeing, disagreeing, giving opinions and advice, asking and interrupting politely, expressing thoughts and feelings. Use technology. A smartphone can be a powerful tool for learning languages. Use it to record yourself speaking, then listen back to see how your English sounds to other people. Listen. Listening is the one of the best way to learn spoken English. Listen to news bulletins and songs in English to listen to the pronunciation of words. You can also learn new words and expressions this way. The more you listen, the more you learn. Try copying what you hear to practice your pronunciation and learn which words in a sentence are stressed. Read out loud. Read the newspaper or magazine out to yourself. You could even find a script for your favorite TV show and act it out. This is a great way to practice pronunciation because you only need to concentrate on making sure your English sounds great and don't need to worry about sentence structure of or grammar. Learn a new word and new phrases every day. Choose a word or phrases you would like to work on and practice it in a different sentences. Use the word or phrase until you have learned it and keep using it regularly. Watch movies. It is one of the best tips to improve your communication skills. Watch movies in English and pay attention to new vocabulary and pronunciation. And imitate the actors and have fun with it. Make friends. Make friends with English speakers or others learning to speak English and compare notes. Talk about things that you have learned and exchange ideas. Do interesting activities in English. Suppose take a cooking course in English or join a book club. Anything you enjoy doing, make sure you do it and communicate it in English. Using English to talk about things you enjoy will make practicing a positive experience. Have a debate. Debate all the topics that interest you with friends in English. Try to use as much as vocabulary as you can to get your point across and listen to the other arguments carefully so you can argue against them effectively. If you forget a word, use other words. It's very common for English learners to stop a sentence in the middle because they have forgotten the word they want to use. But try to be creative. The other person can help you if you describe the word you want by using other English words. For example, one of my students was describing a recipe and he didn't know the word for one of the vegetables. So he said, it's white or red and like a ball, and when you cut it, you cry. I said easily, it's an onion. So you can see that my student communicated successfully by using different words even though he didn't know the word he wanted to use. The next important tips: relax, have a positive and confident attitude. If you make a mistake or forget a word when you are speaking English, it's okay. Don't be nervous or afraid. The person who are talking to will understand and be patient with you. If you are insecure when speaking English, it will be even more difficult to speak. You should remember that communication is more important than grammar. Do you get nervous when speaking because you are afraid of making a mistake? Remember that the goal of speaking English is to communicate. Although grammar is important, it is less important than communication when speaking English. Here is a simple example. If you say, yesterday I go to party on beach, the sentence isn't grammatically correct, but it does successfully communicate your message. And an English speaker will understand you. It's better to say something wrong and still communicate successfully than to say nothing. Also, the grammar of spoken English is more flexible than the grammar of written English, so don't worry too much about grammar when speaking. Are you ready to learn spoken English? Then start today itself. Thank you for watching.